Hello everyone, today I want to talk about hair clips. It's been a really long time since I've worn hair clips, like back when I had butterfly hair clips in my braids in first grade. But I've been seeing these all over the internet, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on all over YouTube, and I really want to put together some hairstyles for you. So I have 10 different really easy hairstyles that you can just throw on and go and make these look a little bit more refined than if you just threw them in your hair. So let's get into it. First, I want to talk about all of these hair clips. I have tons of them, all from Amazon. I got this whole package for $6 or $7, and it's just so amazing, and they're really high quality. They're very similar to ones that I've seen, and I really want to get the resin ones now because I think those are just so pretty and have so many different colors. But I wanted to test these out first because I knew that they were a lot more neutral. But I love the pearls on them and they don't feel like they're gonna fall off at all. So if you're looking to try some, definitely go to Amazon because that's where the cheapest ones are. This is hairstyle number 1. I just wanted to go really easy with this first one. And so I just took a piece of hair about 1 inch thick and I twisted it back and I pinned it back with one of the pins. And then I did it again so I could get that stacked look. But I think this way is just super easy to do and it looks so cute. You could do it on both sides, but I just chose to do the one that has the most hair on this side of the head. This is hairstyle number 2. This one is even easier because all I did was take a clip and pin it on the side of my head. I didn't do any twisting, nothing at all. I just pulled it to the side and clipped it. A way that you can do this, I don't necessarily like the end of the hair clip on the back where the hinge is, so I flipped it around the other way to make it look a little bit more pleasing and lay on my head a little bit better. So that's just a tip I have if you're going to use hair clips. This is hairstyle number 3. This one is so easy as well. All you have to do is take a piece on one side of the hair and bring it to the back and a piece on the other and bring it back as well. And then you twist them over each other and then you just clip it with a hair clip. It's a good way to get your hair out of your eyes if you're just really wanting to keep your hair down but you kind of don't want that hair in your face. I do this hairstyle all the time if I just want to get hair out of my eyes when I'm cooking food, or I'm going outside and I'm doing things that I just don't want my hair in my face, or sometimes the pieces around my face get a lot more greasy since I touch them all the time. This is a great way to get them out of the way and keep the rest of your hair looking beautiful as always. This is hairstyle number 4. This is a really good one that I use to go to the gym and be able to step up your gym hairstyle because I want to get all the hair out of my face, and the hair clips help me do that. First, I just put all my hair into a ponytail and then I just add the clips where I need them. You can put them on both sides to take away baby hairs, or you can pin them up in the back as well. I think this is a really good way to kind of dress up your hairstyle. You can wear it to the gym. You honestly could just wear it how I'm wearing it with a sundress or anything like that. It's a really good way to step up your hairstyle and be able to add different accessories to express your personality. This is hairstyle number 5. I like this one a lot because it's another one of those really good hairstyles that you use on like third day hair or when you're going to the gym or anything like that. I just threw my hair into a top knot. I wrap my bun around my finger and I'm able to put the hair tie around it so I can get the big bun that I like. And then I just took out all the baby hairs in the bottom and I let them go free because sometimes they need to go free, and then I was able to find them and twist them up and put them in a clip on the back of my head so that they don't fall down while I'm working out or just throughout the day. This is hairstyle number 6. I'm really excited about this one because this is another good way that you can dress up a bun. Normally I just think of buns as like just throw on and do all the work that you need to do throughout the day. But I really like the addition of these bobby pin hair clips because they give a little bit more style and dress it up a little bit more. And so I just put my hair in a normal top knot like I showed you last hairstyle, and then I just added the clips where I wanted them. I really like them all stacked together. I think it looks really cool. Or you can put a hair clip like on top of your bun, like right here, or really you can do whatever you'd like. Just go crazy. This is hairstyle number 7. This one gives me all of like the rock star vibes with all of my hair on this side of the head, but I just took my middle part and I flopped my hair over and made it a really deep side part, and then I pulled all the hair behind my ear and I put a clip in it, and I just love the way that this looks. It looks kind of edgy and fun when all you really did is put your hair on a different side. And it's a really great way to hide greasy roots because I haven't washed my hair in a bit. So this is a hairstyle that I definitely love to do. This is hairstyle number 8, and I'm so excited that we got this far because I wanted to show you this one really bad. Whether you do a side ponytail, a side braid, fishtail, literally you can do anything you want. I always have super unruly baby hairs on one side because it's just way too short and I can't pull it back unless I have about a gallon of hairspray. And I'm sure a lot of people are the same. So I added these 3 pins right here, and I love them because it makes your hair look more intentional when in reality you're just trying to hide the baby hairs that you have, but I think it dresses it up and makes it look really cute. This is hairstyle number 9. I love this look because the hair clip doesn't crease your hair like a normal hair tie, and you can just put it in any kind of braid that you like. I usually do fishtail or regular 3-strand braids because Dutch braids and French braids are kind of hard, honestly. Like, I'm not the best at them, but I really like this look because it's just a really easy way to dress up a braid, and you can just throw it in your hair and go, and it's just such an easy, effortless look. This is hairstyle number 10. We made it, and this is kind of an ode to the butterfly clip era. I used to have 2 little braids like this, and then I'd clip them with butterfly clips, but this is elevated just a little bit more. I decided to take the hair on both sides, and I just took a 1-inch chunk of hair and I twisted it back and I pinned it back with these little sparkly bobby pins, and I love the look of this. And you can do this with hair clips, you can do this with other clips, you can literally do this with pretty much anything. Or if you decide to go with regular bobby pins, you can do that as well. But I like this look a lot. I think it's just really easy and effortless and a good way to get the hair out of your face, like I've mentioned before. I know I always touch the hair that frames my face the most, and that usually gets the greasiest fastest, but I think that this is a really good way to extend the amount of time that you go between washing your hair as well. Those are all 10 ways that I found to style hair clips. I'm sure there's dozens of other ways to do it as well, so let me know what your favorites were, and if you have any other ways that you style hair clips down in the comments. I would love to hear more suggestions and be able to make possibly future videos about hair clips as well. Let me know any other video suggestions you would like in the comments as well, and don't forget to turn on that bell icon so you can get notified every single time I post. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this type of video, I have a hair scarf tutorial as well on 10 ways to wear a hair scarf, so I'll link that video right here as well. Thanks for watching!